This is the Iron Trader. Now the pit's closed here at 2:30. It's 5:13 my time right now. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell a stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have your crude oil, your daily, weekly, and your monthly chart. Now today was just full of information. We had the Treasury there at 8:30 here this morning. We had the EIA report at 10:30 here. And then at 2 o'clock, we had the Fed announcement. And then at 2:30, we had a speech. And wow, busy day here. So what we're going to do here is review crude oil here and natural gas as usual. So here we go. All right, daily chart. Well, you can see I always point out this 8 SMA here. Where did it go? Right into the 8 SMA. Okay. Now, yesterday's high was 83.37. Today we got 83.42, but that S8 SMA here just way too tough. Okay, selling right down. Now you're below yesterday's low. You're below the 100-day here, and then on a weekly here so far, you are 81.67. You are below that, sitting at 80.90. Okay, so let's just look at the downside. Where are we going to go from here? Okay. We want to look here. We want to look at this 8 SMA, 79.13. That is the next stop. Okay. After that, what do we have here? We have this 200-day sitting at 78.27 and this 50-day sitting at 78.26. That is the target since I've been pointing out all the way from here. If that 81.50 here is lost, this is your big target. And that looks like where she is going. Okay. So not looking pretty at all if you're in oil long, okay? So, well, for me right now, SEO worked out great today, went right up to the 8-day, shorted it right on down, okay? Very good trade. So let's look at the upside. Well, you want to look at yesterday's candle, the bottom of the, so you're looking at 80.74 here, okay? Then we're looking here at this 81.50. That is your bottom of that candle. And then when we look here is this 21 SMA, 81.67. And then if it can rally up here, we look for this 83.57. Now, it's not going to be 83.57 when the futures open here in about 45 minutes. This is going to come way on down here. See how that fights it all the way? See, this is why you trade the charts, man. Boom, can't get through. Boom, can't get through. Boom, can't get through. Look at old Sticky here. Oh, baby. So I'm looking lower. I'm looking for this price target right here. I posted way above here the oil premium. You're going to have $5 to $10 coming out. You got 89.85. You got 80.90. Pretty close to the old $10. So we're going to see what happens tomorrow, but this is the target that we're looking for here on the downside. Now, hey, this thing rallies up here. Well, then what we have to do is look at this 100 SMA here, 81.20. Look at this candle here, 81.50. Look at that candle, 81.67. And then we look to your big target up here is your 8 SMA. If you get above that 8 SMA, then we got 84.89, which will be lower here at the futures open. And then you 86.34. Above that, then we can just take these candles right on up. There's really no sense getting into it because you got a lot of resistance here. But if in case you do, then we come up to this price channel, 89.85. That's the top of that candle. That's the recent high. That is where the target would be if you can close above the 50-day. Now, RSI heading down. Still bearish cross here. Green below your red. Never good. Okay, we here on this MACD. Well, look at here. I think we got the cross here. Well, we will have it at the end of the week. Keeps on selling. So that's a bearish cross right there. And then what we have here is your RSI is rolling over here. Just not looking pretty at all here. If it keeps selling, look for that 78.27. 26 right here. This is the key. Now, again, if this is lost, say this is boom, this is going right lower. Well, there's your target, 69.87. Look how many times it hit it. Okay. Even on this candle here, close right back above. All that close right back above here for the week. That is your target if this 78.26 is gone. So that'll be another quarter drop here. But again, seasonality, I don't see where the big demand is here. This is all based on the war going on there in the Middle East. All right, let's take a look here at old natty gas. Okay, natty gas, your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now, ran right up 3.64. That was on that contract roll. Came right down, got us high right up here on this candle here. at 3.63, 64, 63, double top, sell off. Just easy. Now, where we stand here? Okay, watch that 8 SMA, 3.49. Watch the 50 right below it, 3.47. Watch the price channel. Watch this 100-day first, 3.44, then 3.42. That's your price channel. That's your retest. Upside, watch your 3.52. If you can rally up, 3.6, 3.63, 3.64. Easy peasy. Okay. 4-hour chart, you can see very, very clear. See the double top with a lower high? Never good. All the way on down. Okay. Let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. Okay, here we have your daily, here we have your weekly. Now, let's take a look at this weekly first. Now, if you look at the 8 SMA here, you're sitting at 3.07. You look at the 50, 3.04. Now, your 8-day crossed above it. That's always bullish. Your 21-day is still sitting below that. Your 8-day is above your 21-day. That's all very, very bullish. If this thing can rally up here, basically bottom line here, the target is going to be right here, 3.795. Okay, you're going to have resistance in the middle here. Okay, I'll show you where. So you're going to have today's high, 3.60. You got this here, 3.63, 3.64 going on up there. Okay, and then if you can go above all that there, then there's your 3.78 or 795. Okay, that is the big target right there. Okay, I've been pointing that out for months here now as this bad boy is going sideways. Okay. Daily chart here, well, we know what you have to do on the upside. You basically have to close above this 3.64 to go higher. Downside, today's low here, 3.42. How did it get there? What's this candle here? What's the high? 3.428. What is this candle here? 3.428. Always, always, always look to the left of the chart. That is going to be your support and resistance levels there, just like clockwork. Okay, now, next level comes down. Look to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 3.405. Then we look to the bottom here. You're looking at 3.318. We look to the top of this candle here, 3.279. There's the gap. There's a fill. Then we have your 8 SMA, 3.256, and then 3.21. Very, very easy. Okay. Now again, if it comes down lower here, then what we can do, we can look always to like the top of this thing. You got 3.034 here. You got 2.97. We have 2.95, and then we have your 2.914. That is your key here. If that's lost, look to this 2.82. There's your gap, 2.66. That is your fill. Gap, fill. A lot of support here underneath. Also, watch that 8 SMA, 3.7. Watch that 50-day, 3.04. Always a lot of good support here. Now, what I'm looking for here, we'll see how the futures open here at 6. And then tomorrow, again, if this could fall down here, this 8-8 is going to run up here. If you can hold that 8-day or even hold this 21-day, be a good scalping opportunity to go higher. Okay, so this was actually a really nice scalp here on the long side here, UNG here. I forget what I got out of that today, but that was a good scalp going on the upside here, right off the bottom here, off the top of that candle. I'm all out. I'm flat right now, so I got to see, daily trades here with this because you just don't know what's going to happen to your own natty gas. They don't call it the widowmaker for nothing. Okay, RSI here. Well, we got to see how this is going to shake out here. Bullish cross here, still intact here on your MACD. So that's all still looking very, very good. Okay, so bottom line, 3.64, a close above, goes to 3.795. If we go lower than this 3.428 here, then what we got to do is watch this 3.40 right there, 3.318, top of this candle, 3.279, and then your 8, then your 21. Easy peasy. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we'll review the Crude and natty gas. Thanks for watching.